What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Anthony Lyons back at it again. Here's an install we got with this 03 F-350. It is a work truck, solid work truck for a general contractor, I know. And we're gonna put some sounds in here. Just want something real basic, but at the same time, give you some good sound. He drives everywhere being a general contractor. So this is a video that will let you guys out there know, if you got a work truck, this is all you really need. You get yourself a new stereo. We're gonna put this Sony doubled in. I got front speakers going in and just a simple 2-channel to run to those front speakers. So stay tuned for the pictures. And again, work truck. Get yourself some tunes for your work truck. You deserve it. Stay tuned. And there you have it, YouTube. You got Sony radio doubled in, and this F-350 along with the Rockfordfosgates. Again, just 2 speakers in the front and also your 2-channel amp. 2-channel amp underneath the rear seat. Again, work truck. You work hard. You should play hard and listen to some good music on your way to work. So basic system, but sounds really good for your work truck. Hit me up, Anthony Lyons, AL Designs. Stay tuned for much more.